Your nervous system controls everything, from movement and sensation to memory and reflexes. But did you know that what you drink can either protect or harm your nerves? Certain beverages can contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and nerve damage, increasing the risk of neuropathy, nerve pain, and long-term neurological issues. To keep your nerves healthy, avoid or limit these 7 worst drinks for nerve damage. Kicking off our list at number 7 is soda, particularly diet soda, which may increase the risk of nerve damage over time. Regular sodas are packed with high fructose corn syrup, contributing to inflammation, blood sugar spikes, and metabolic issues, all of which can lead to nerve dysfunction. Diet sodas aren't any better. Many contain aspartame and other artificial sweeteners, which have been linked to neurotoxicity and nerve irritation. Studies suggest that aspartame may overstimulate nerve cells, leading to nerve degeneration and chronic pain in individuals with pre-existing nerve conditions. Research from the Framingham Heart Study indicates that people who consume diet soda daily are almost 3 times as likely to develop stroke and dementia compared to those who do not. This suggests a significant impact on brain health, potentially linked to nerve damage. Additionally, a study published in the Journal of Stroke found that consuming sugar-sweetened and artificially sweetened fizzy drinks increased the risk of stroke by 22%, with the risk rising sharply for those drinking 2 or more daily. Now, if soda wasn't bad enough, the next drink on our list could be even worse for your nerves, especially if you have diabetes. At number 6, we have energy drinks, which may seem like a quick fix for fatigue, but they can wreak havoc on your nervous system. These drinks are packed with high levels of caffeine, sugar, and artificial additives, all of which can have serious consequences for nerve health. One of the biggest concerns is the extreme sugar content in energy drinks. A single can often contains more sugar than your body needs in an entire day. This leads to rapid blood sugar spikes, followed by an inevitable crash, putting stress on your nerves. For people with diabetes or prediabetes, these extreme fluctuations can be especially dangerous, as high blood sugar levels are a known cause of nerve damage or neuropathy. Over time, the repeated spikes and crashes wear down the nervous system, increasing the risk of numbness, tingling, and even pain in the hands and feet. The high caffeine content in energy drinks is another major problem. While caffeine can improve alertness in moderate amounts, excessive intake can overstimulate the nervous system, leading to anxiety, jitteriness, and nerve excitability. According to research published in Neuroscience Letters, high caffeine consumption may contribute to nerve inflammation, which can worsen symptoms of neuropathy or other nerve-related conditions. Another hidden danger in some energy drinks is excessive vitamin B6, pyridoxine. While B6 is important for nerve function, consuming too much can actually lead to nerve damage. Studies have linked chronic overconsumption of B6 to tingling, numbness, and burning sensations in the limbs, symptoms commonly associated with neuropathy. While energy drinks might give you a temporary burst of energy, they come with serious long-term risks for nerve health. If you rely on them to get through the day, it may be worth considering healthier alternatives like water, herbal tea, or natural fruit-based drinks to maintain energy levels without harming your nervous system. If energy drinks weren't concerning enough, the next beverage on our list is a common favorite that might surprise you with its impact on nerve health. At number 5, we have alcohol, a significant contributor to nerve damage and neuropathy. Alcohol is neurotoxic, meaning it can directly harm nerve cells and disrupt normal nerve signaling. Chronic heavy drinking can lead to a condition known as alcoholic neuropathy, characterized by symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and burning pain, particularly in the hands and feet. This occurs because prolonged alcohol exposure damages peripheral nerves, impairing their ability to transmit signals effectively. Studies indicate that up to 50% of long-term heavy drinkers may develop some form of neuropathy. Moreover, excessive alcohol consumption often results in nutritional deficiencies, especially of essential B vitamins like B1, thiamine, and B12. These vitamins are crucial for nerve health, and their depletion can exacerbate nerve damage. The combination of alcohol's direct toxic effects and the associated nutritional deficiencies creates a double threat to the nervous system. Now, before we continue, please take a second to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you valuable health insights, and it lets us know you want more content like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. At number 4, we have artificially flavored fruit juices, the ones loaded with added sugars, artificial colors, and preservatives. While whole fruits provide essential fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels, these processed juices lack that fiber, leading to rapid sugar spikes in your bloodstream. Over time, these spikes can contribute to nerve inflammation and damage, especially for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. A study published in Diabetes Care highlights that maintaining tight glycemic control is crucial in preventing or delaying the development of neuropathy in patients with type 1 diabetes. This underscores the importance of managing blood sugar levels to protect nerve health. Moreover, research indicates that consuming sugar-sweetened beverages, including certain fruit juices, is associated with an increased risk of stroke. A study found that individuals who drank 2 or more servings of fruit juice daily had a 37% higher risk of stroke. To make healthier choices, opt for freshly squeezed, no-sugar-added juices, or better yet, consume whole fruits. Whole fruits not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also provide fiber, which aids in slowing sugar absorption and supports overall digestive health. The next drink on our list is extremely common, but its effects on nerve health might shock you. At number 3, we have coffee. Now, before you worry, it's important to note that moderate coffee consumption, about 3 to 4 cups per day, can offer health benefits, such as increased alertness and a potential reduced risk of certain diseases. However, excessive intake can lead to issues, especially for those with existing nerve conditions. Consuming too much caffeine can overstimulate the nervous system, resulting in symptoms like muscle twitching and increased nerve sensitivity. This happens because caffeine, as a stimulant, can cause muscle fibers to contract, leading to involuntary twitches. Additionally, high caffeine intake may contribute to nerve inflammation, potentially exacerbating conditions like neuropathy. Another concern is dehydration. While moderate coffee consumption doesn't significantly dehydrate the body, excessive amounts can have a diuretic effect, leading to increased urination and potential fluid loss. Dehydration can disrupt electrolyte balance, which is crucial for proper nerve function and may worsen nerve pain and inflammation. For coffee lovers, it's advisable to limit intake to moderate amounts, approximately 3 to 4 cups daily, and ensure adequate water consumption to maintain hydration. This balance helps you enjoy the benefits of coffee without adversely affecting your nervous system. We're down to the final 2 beverages, both of which can significantly worsen nerve inflammation and long-term damage. At number 2, we have flavored milkshakes and sugary coffee drinks. These beverages are often packed with refined sugars and unhealthy fats, which can lead to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and ultimately, nerve damage. Consuming high amounts of sugar can cause elevated blood glucose levels, which over time may damage delicate nerve fibers, a condition known as diabetic neuropathy. This nerve damage often affects the legs and feet, leading to symptoms like pain, tingling, and numbness. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial in preventing or delaying the progression of this condition. Moreover, diets rich in saturated fats and refined sugars have been shown to impair nerve function. Studies indicate that such diets can exacerbate cognitive dysfunction and reduce synaptic plasticity, which are essential for learning and memory. This suggests that the combination of high sugar and unhealthy fats not only affects peripheral nerves, but also central nervous system health. To put it into perspective, some popular coffeehouse drinks can contain over 50 grams of sugar in a single serving. This amount exceeds the daily recommended intake of added sugars, leading to significant blood sugar spikes that can harm nerves over time. For those who enjoy these types of beverages, consider opting for plain coffee, unsweetened plant-based milk, or smoothies made with natural ingredients. These alternatives provide the satisfaction of a tasty drink without the excessive sugar and unhealthy fats, helping to protect your nerve health in the long run. And now, the worst drink for nerve damage, the one you should absolutely avoid. At number 1, the most detrimental beverage for nerve health is soft drinks laden with artificial colors, preservatives, and synthetic sweeteners. These components can adversely affect the nervous system in several ways. Synthetic food dyes, such as red 40 and yellow 5, have been associated with neurobehavioral issues. Research indicates that these dyes may exacerbate hyperactivity and other behavioral problems in some children. For instance, a report by the California Office of Environmental Health Hazard Assessment, OEHHA, found that consumption of synthetic food dyes can result in neurobehavioral problems in certain children. Common preservatives in soft drinks, like sodium benzoate, have raised health concerns. While sodium benzoate is generally recognized as safe, some studies suggest it may activate inflammatory pathways, potentially leading to oxidative stress. A review highlighted that sodium benzoate could increase inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to various health issues. Artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, are often used in diet sodas. Some research has suggested potential neurotoxic effects of aspartame, including headaches and mood disturbances, though findings are mixed and more research is needed. Regular consumption of soft drinks containing these additives may pose risks to nerve health. Opting for healthier alternatives like herbal teas, infused water, or fresh juice blends can help support your nervous system and overall well-being. And there you have it, the 7 worst drinks for nerve damage. Which of these drinks surprised you the most? Have you noticed a difference in your nerve health after cutting back on certain beverages? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Check out our merchandise to support the channel, and if you'd like to show extra appreciation, consider leaving a super thanks. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.